Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get Klarna on Shopify. Klarna provides your customers with flexible payment options, such as paying in 4 installments or paying in 30 days, which can boost your sales and conversion rates. To begin, ensure your Shopify store has Shopify payments enabled and operates in a country where Klarna is supported. Klarna will review your business details before full activation, ensuring everything is set up correctly for seamless transactions. The simplest way to activate Klarna is directly through Shopify payments. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, go to Settings and then click on Payments. In the Shopify Payments section, select Manage. You will see Klarna listed as a payment method. Simply toggle it to the on position. Remember to click Save to apply these changes, making Klarna available to your customers. Alternatively, you can integrate Klarna through their merchant portal. Start by signing up for a Klarna merchant account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Integration Guides section and select Shopify. Follow the prompts to install the Klarna app directly onto your Shopify store. You'll then generate and connect API credentials, which securely link your Klarna and Shopify accounts, ensuring smooth communication between the two platforms. After setup, verify your integration by adding a product to your cart and proceeding to checkout to confirm Klarna appears as a payment option. Klarna offers customers flexible choices like pay in 4 interest-free installments, pay in 30 days with no upfront cost, or longer-term financing for larger purchases. This flexibility can significantly reduce cart abandonment and increase average order value. Check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals to help your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.